Hello everyone, welcome to Salmon Tools. Last videos we did the torago 2004. We did replace the seal, gasket seal, what I call roller rocker gasket, spark plugs, and do full service. Now today we gotta continue. We did try to make sure 100% safety, replace the lower arm control. Anyway, here is the stuff we got. 2 lower arm control and all this, and really hopefully we're gonna finish today, and we take the car for wheel alignment just in case the car shaking, and try out the tires if not balancing. Okay, we got the stain underneath, don't worry about the jack, see? Inspection, the discs were worn and wobbly, and it's thin, and we expect to get the new one. Don't shave it because it's super thin. When we do that, we have to replace new pad C, the key, the low arm control bushes here. That one worn, and we have to replace it. Hopefully it's not as hard as the bloody Lexus. Okay, another punch on the jaw. It's exactly like Lexus. Shit design. It's designed like a Lexus 2004 model, all the same shit, I think. They gotta avoid this one, and I show you how to take it off. We have to take this one off before we can take the bolt inside. Where's one of these holding the arm here? So it's ridiculous, but if you know how to do it, I put a bit of cardboard, fold them up, put in it like this so stop damage the sumps of the engine mount, gearbox mount, whatever it is. Take off this, that, and this one. Take this one out first thing. That's what I would do. So whatever you got in there, and take off this sway bar bolt top one here to make loose tension on the thing and easy for you. What I would do is I got whatever I got, I spray it on, make it loose. 19, 17, and 17 all around in here, and get all the dust out, and then take this one off. 19, use your energy saver, don't break your self, and don't break your arm. Okay, I don't want you to get killed by accident by fixed car or fixed tools by this easily. See, do everything the same. Okay, we gotta do at the bottom here. You will see this one, 17. Go everywhere. 17 here, here, and here. Quickly we remove the nail, and then we jack up the engine. 1, the 17 side. Leave it down this way. 2 and 3. 3. Okay, and then we got 3 of them out. And then number 19, and then we can jack it up, and we can move this rubber bumper out, and then this bracket come out. Go behind here. See? Okay, go there. Sway bar up. Believe me, it's much easy for you later. Okay. Okay, we can take this one up. I show you do one side, other side exactly the same way. Do with the other side, okay? Like the Toyota Lexus IS 300, the old 2004, 5, 6, they all one shit, different smell, same way design, okay? No worries, Simon can sort things out, mate. A little bit more. See, check it out. Check it out. A little bit more. And done. I think I should be alright now. No more. That's enough. Like this. Check it out. Put your number 22 in here. 22. Yep, 22 in. And try to break it out if you can. Yes, see, that's all we need. We need to leave it there. And if you can put your hand in, you lap it. If you can't, we can take it out. See, like this. Energy saver, man. Okay, hand into here, then we can get the bulb out too. Don't worry. sneaky, but no way. But the problem is this one not going up all the way. It's hard, right? Don't worry, leave it there. We take this one up and we move this one out, and then when we cut them in, slide them in together with the bolt. Torago, this suspension on the Toyota is much difficult than any other cars to redo. I better take up the spring bar over there, the bracket, to make it lighter, much easier for me to do it. Okay, can't be lazy. Now can see anywhere I want to go over there. Get number 22 sorted out quicker than I waste all day for taking up one by one with a so ridiculous. I tell you what, into any car, any Toyota, the front suspension is more difficult than any other car. I prefer fix European car than fix this Toyota. Got all out, and then the last one will be the number 17. I hope it's long enough to get the bastard out. Too short, no good. 1, 2. Underneath go up is 17 all the way. 3. Okay, hopefully I can get it out easy. If not, I'm in trouble. So I go down. Okay, go down. Go down. Yep. Tilt one side. Yep. I can do this one. I can do this one out. So I got a chance. Move it out by moving it up together with this one, the bottom one. This one. Bottom one using this one. Sway bar to go in here. I told you it's hard. It's hard. It's hard than European car. Not easy at all. Toyota, man. Toyota, this is the king. This one is the king. King of most difficult suspension in the world. It's the Toyota. See how like that. Okay. Okay. And then if we can tip it out. Oh, fuck me. Let's go again here. Later, remember this one go in together. Go in first and then go in there. Slide on. Come up this side. Tilt it up. It's a little bit touch here, but it's alright. Get a hammer. Snap this one much easy for you next time. Later, I will slide in like this and much easy to go through like this. Okay, that's what I would do. Now insert the new one on. How you get out? That's how you get back in. Okay, we go. Smash it. And hopefully go in. See, beautiful. That's what we need. Okay. Yeah, we don't hassle or anything. Just slide it on until some line. Okay, beautiful. We tie this easy bolt on halfway, or not all the way tight, and then we can sneak and tie this one on. It's on groups. We put this one on, and then it should be online. Each one, you see, should be online, and then there should be no way out in the wall. Gotta be straight like that. And we can slide your bolt on. Okay, now but I tie this one so I can put this one down. I don't want too much tension on this one no more. One is online, very easy to light up the bottom ones. That's it. You're gonna have the brand banking new sway bar. Now we tie everything on and everything ready to put back to the old way how you get out. You can put the engine back out and put all the number 17 back in together later. We don't want too much force on the gearbox mounting there. It's been very tough up there, so better hard this one, and then we are move up here. Okay, put the jack down, the car jack down. Okay, we are nearly done, baby. We are nearly done, baby. We're nearly done, baby. One more. That's it. We are done. Now what I do is tie this one up, and what I do is put the jack down. Okay, put the jack down. Okay, so lead it up to me. Exactly same side how we did this side to the other side, exactly the same. Use the crowbar, put this one down, and then you can line up this one down here. Done. That's it. We can have all this one done. See the bottom one, beautiful new sway bar, new arm control, lower control arms, and hopefully this will be run until the car die. Okay, no more come see Simon about the low arm control. I'm very old and sick of this one. And I have to go pick up my daughter from school. It's running a little bit late because I thought it easy, but it's hard. But I really learned something, and I really enjoy something. You know, love it. Toyota is one of the hardest one I ever seen on the suspension. And first model 2004, 6, 7. The design very weird and very difficult. So okay, also there. So while we replace this, have to get the new pads. Don't worry. Okay, number 17 here. Oh, it's hot. Wretched. So I go in using my different technique. Would it help? Technique is this. It's been an original car, so hard to lose it out. Done. Put this one back out, and then we put a new one on, and we're done. So 1 hour, took me 1 hour to do one side for this car. This is the first car I ever done anyway, because it's been so much genuine cars, 2004, and it took me 1 hour each side because we don't know how to do it from the beginning, right? New one on. Doesn't matter which side goes which side. Okay, new one on. New one on. And it took me long enough, 1 hour for one side to do the car, and another side exactly the same. So hopefully you guys watching this one and have the same car. Make sure it's safety for the kids. Okay, see ya.